Hey, what's up, miners? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to disassemble a Seagate external Backup Plus 8 terabyte hard drive. You're probably asking yourself, well, why do I want to take apart this hard drive? For me, it's because this thing is big and bulky and it doesn't actually fit with the rest of my hard drives in my mining rig. Secondly, when you're mining burst, well, especially if you're mining burst, these things run very hot, and the heat is self-contained in this plastic box, and it's more susceptible to heat damage. There's also the theory that having too many USB devices hooked up to your motherboard, such as several external hard drives, will degrade your transfer speeds going to those drives, because how the motherboard addresses the USB lanes, they run in a shared manner, whereas the SATA ports that are on your motherboard are in a parallel manner. So you will get a more reliable transfer speed through the SATA ports than you would through the USB devices. So with that being said, let's get underway. So for starters, the tools I'll be using is a guitar pick and, believe it or not, a dull butter knife. You can use like a pocket knife if you want, but just be very careful because you will slip and hurt yourself. The butter knife I'm using is very sturdy, and you're going to need something sturdy in order to pry that bottom cover off, because it's actually not meant to come out. The clips that are fastened onto the black enclosure are almost like one-way clips, so you have no choice but to try to get behind it and use a prying motion to unclip it. The guitar pick will help you try to get started in separating the two pieces of plastic, so you can squeeze your knife in there. So once you have the bottom cover off, you can see inside the hard drive enclosure. Now what you need to do is you need to remove that internal assembly. So what I did is I just flipped it upside down, and it helped me dislodge the hard drive from the actual enclosure. There are 4 rubber bumpers that are covering the Phillips head screws, which need to be removed. So once you got all 4 screws out, it's just a matter of sliding the hard drive out of its SATA connection to the power board.
And that's it, we're all done. That was a real-time recording in less than 5 minutes. If we take a closer look at what kind of hard drive we're dealing with here, you can tell that is a Seagate Archive hard disk drive, 8000 gig, and it is an SMR type hard drive that Seagate manufactures. So where it lacks in write speed, it makes up for in read speed. But all in all, it's still a heavy-duty hard drive that can take a beating. If this video has helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. And as always, pay it forward. Thanks for watching.